Hey everybody, all right, well, me and Bill are rocking the Stolbeck tour bus right now. He's being our driver, and everybody loves to challenge Cosmo. So let me show you what we just got recently as a test and see what you think. So we got all of these Corion triangles shipped to us, all made of solid surface. And I'm sure everybody knows the level of sanding that's required to get Corion right. I mean, not only is it sanded, you've kind of got to polish it. So we're able to just slow down Cosmo, just creeping along. We did use a couple of different grits, but we cut the sanding time of these pieces from hand sanding them to machine sanding them in like 1/5 of the time, I think. Quality was perfect. We just built a little fixture so that we could sand 9 of them at a time. Sorry, 4, 8 of them at a time, and worked great. So we'll let the rest of this video just play for you. We did speed it up by 2 times, so Cosmo is just creeping along, but that's what the job called for, so that's what it got. So sit back, relax, enjoy watching Cosmo sand Corion. Now the front edges of these parts also needed to be hand sanded because they were glued up. So they're, 2 pieces of Corion glued together. Had a glue line with some glue smears on it. But in true Stolbeck fashion, we don't want to let anyone down. So now we're going to do the edges. Video doesn't do it justice, but they're sharp and there's lots of glue and stuff. I don't even know if it'll clean all that off, but we're going to give it a whirl. Got the machine running super slow. Corion's not the easiest stuff to sand. So we're still running through the trimmers to break those corners. And as you can see, this thing coming out the end of the machine, absolutely perfect. Gotta love that ultimate edge sander. So to all the woodworkers and Corion people and metalworking people, whatever you're up to, we love the challenges. Keep them coming and we'll keep sanding them.